You excited for our ride? Fat Waluigi, Wario, Kirby, and Anxiety?
Oh shit!
I cannot wait for the ride!
Why isn't it moving?
I have no freaking clue, bro.
I'll go help drive you all.
Oh, I keep going Christian, what the hell?
Yeah, what the hell are you both?
No, the car! This will be much better. Wait, we're not moving.
We're not moving. Come on, we gotta move.
Okay, screw driving, I freaking quit. Gosh, I freaking hate driving. Hey, who's holding on to me?
"12 seconds later.
No, don't think about it.
Before we go, I just can't wait to be in the future.
Not so fast, Kirby. You're fired! Wario's better than him anyways. Who's gonna be our replacement? Are you freaking serious right now? Well, whatever. Let's just go with the logo.